With us for today's vlog, we have a baby. A pissed off baby. Emily's not home yet, and Minnie sleeps in Emily's room. So, she has to chill in here with me for a little bit, because my parents are going to sleep. And Minnie likes to hide under their bed to get away from having to go into Emily's room, so... She's a little pissed off right now, aren't you? Yes, I'm sure you can tell. Oh, what you doing? You gonna say hi to the people? No, you don't fall. Please don't fall, for God's sake. Are you really just gonna lay there like that? Where are you going? Where'd you want to go? There you go. Yeah, go probably sit by the door and get more pissed off than you already are. Yep. If you haven't gathered by the fact that I said everybody's sleeping, there's nighttime. I gotta clean my teeth. I just ate. And there was like cheese all over my teeth. You can't leave the office until Emily gets home, which will be in like 5 minutes. So you're just gonna have to chill. You're like a little boy wearing that outfit, Minnie. Why is your neck so long? It's more comfortable on the futon than on the floor. It is, I promise. She's giving me this look of, you're lying to me. Minnie. Minnie. Min. I know you heard me. There you go. Hi. Minnie, what are you looking at? Oh, me. You're never in here. You can spare me 10 minutes to be in here. Anyway, this morning was a little bit rushy, hence the fact of, well, the reason that I did not actually film anything this morning. I decided to sleep in for a second day in a row. I got up at like 1 and ended up cancelling my stream because of that. But I think I needed it. I really do think I needed it. I was exhausted when I woke up, and I also didn't even worry about getting videos out today because I didn't have Ranger recorded for today and I didn't have Quick Play recorded for today. I just said screw it. I'm not gonna try and stress myself out to get these videos out. So I didn't. Also, I get to finally take my socks off. I have to wear 2 pairs of socks at work because cold storage. What? What's the? She's still sat in the exact same position. She hasn't moved an inch. Come on, dog in the thumbnail gets more views. So I got up super late, took a shower, and pretty much immediately left for work, which went about as smooth as yesterday did, honestly. You looking at the trash can now? Oh, did you realize where the people are? No? Oh, she's sniffing. Probably my socks. So yeah, that's literally all that my day has been. Getting up late, going into work, doing work, and then I just got home a little bit ago and I'm dealing with this munchkin. She's definitely smelling my socks or my feet. One or the other. Min. Here. She sniffed my socks and went, you try wearing those all day. And there she goes. Now it sounds like she's gagging. Anyway, plan for tonight is literally just clean up in here a bit, because I got like laundry out on here, I got stuff over on my desk I need to put away. Oh, you coming back? Is it my feet you can smell? Don't look at them. Hey. Give him a sniff. She has stopped sniffing. Yeah, clean that stuff up, get the vlog footage and the daily photos imported to my PC, and then just get to sleep. Because honestly, I just want to sleep. Why am I so dark right now? So that's gonna be it for today. Not a lot happened, but it's Friday. I got 2 days off. Very excited about that. So, yeah. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow. And I'll see you guys then. Min, when will we see them? When will we see them? Minnie? Min? Minnie? Minnie? Then...